Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect WeTransfer with Adobe Express in 2026. Connecting these two services makes it easier to import shared files into Adobe Express so you can edit, design, and collaborate more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your WeTransfer account. In another tab, sign in to your Adobe Express account using the same or your preferred Adobe account. Next, open Adobe Express and create a new project or open an existing one. Look for the *upload** or add media ** option. Depending on your version, you may also see options to import files from cloud services or shared links. If you received a WeTransfer link, copy the link and download the files to your computer if required. Then return to Adobe Express and upload those downloaded files into your project. If your version supports direct cloud integration, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your WeTransfer account and authorize access. When prompted, click *allow* or authorize * to give Adobe Express permission to access the necessary files. After the connection is complete, select the images, videos, or other files you want to use and import them into your design. Once the files are added, you can edit them, resize them, add text, apply effects, or continue building your project using Adobe Express tools. When you're finished, save your project and export it in the format you need. If the connection doesn't work, make sure you're signed in to both accounts, check your internet connection, and verify that you're using the latest version of Adobe Express.